In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the default header and footer in Wix Studio. If you're customizing your website and want a clean slate, removing the default header and footer is a great way to start. Whether you're aiming for a unique look or just want to simplify your design, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. It's simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a much clearer canvas to work with. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Wix Studio editor. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project or website you're working on and wait for the editor to fully load. It's important to give it a moment to initialize so that all editing tools and elements are accessible. This ensures that you won't run into any glitches or delays as we move forward. Now that your editor is ready, take a look at the top of your page. This is where you'll find the header. The default header is a section that appears on every page of your site, and while it's useful for things like navigation, sometimes it just doesn't fit with the look you're going for. To remove it, simply click on the header to select it. Once you've clicked, you'll notice a small menu appear near the header. With a three-dot icon, this icon gives you a quick way to access more options. Go ahead and click on the three-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, find and select the delete option. Wix will then ask you to confirm your decision to delete the header. This step is there to prevent accidental deletions. So when prompted, confirm that you want to proceed with removing it. Once confirmed, the header will be deleted and you'll see your page without the default top section. Next, let's move on to the footer. Scroll down to the bottom of your page, where you'll see the default footer. Like the header, the footer appears on every page of your site. While it's often used for things like contact information or links, you might not need it for your particular design. To remove it, click on the footer to select it. Similar to the header, you'll see the three-dot icon appear next to the footer. Click on that three-dot icon, and once again, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose the delete option. Just like before, Wix will ask you to confirm your decision. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the footer, and it will be removed from your page. And that's it. With both the header and footer deleted, you now have a completely clean canvas to work with. This gives you more control over the design and layout of your site, allowing you to create something truly unique. As you continue building your site, remember that you can always add custom headers and footers later if needed, tailored specifically to your vision. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.